Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming. My name is Annie Krieger. Today I am sharing with you chicken drumsticks, okay? So just watch out this recipe. It's delicious. I tell you guys, it's a very fast one, but you will bite your finger for this recipe. So let's go. We have all the ingredients listed out in the description box. You will find them there. But we're gonna start first with my mustard. So here we go, guys. The in and out of this chicken drumstick is the marinating. Yeah, the marinating. It's amazing one. So we are gonna start by introducing 1.5 tablespoon of mustard, and then I went in with 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to introduce chili powder, which is 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Skip it if you don't want spicy, or go for black pepper. And then I also went in with 1 tablespoon of dry garlic. Next, I am going to introduce 1 teaspoon of thyme. I also added 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Again, I am going to introduce 1 tablespoon of vegetable powder. Here I have my blended onion, okay? Blended onion, or you can just do some grated onion. So I added 2 tablespoons of grounded or grated onion. White onion or red onion, anyone is capable. Lastly, I will introduce 100 milliliters of oil of your choice. I am going for sunflower oil. You can go for any other one. Use a whisker or anything to incorporate all the ingredients together. At this time, I am going to introduce my chicken drums, marinate everything. I have altogether 9 chicken drums here, okay? So introduce everything, marinate it, use your hand and marinate very well if you feel so, or put on some hand gloves to make sure there is no part left aside. To make all your marinade penetrate very well in your chicken drumstick, you are going to use a plastic foil paper to cover up and hop in the fridge to let it sit for about 1 hour, 2 hours, however you feel like. If you have the time, let it sit in there for some time. Pop out and continue to brown your steak. So I'm going to continue by adding just a drop, like I said, a drop so that it will not stick to my pan. A drop of oil on your preheated pan. You are going to use a hot pan to do this first job. So when this is done, I am going to introduce all my chicken drums on my preheated pot, okay? I know that some people just want to pump it in the oven and bake right away, but because I want that special color, that brownie color on my chicken pots, it brings more appetite while enjoying this meal. So I'm going to first brown this whole thing on my pan before I continue in the oven. So look at that, guys. We are beginning to have that browning roast color. This thing will give this chicken a very interesting flavor, okay? So this is the idea, the color, how it looks, and the flavor that is going to generate in this chicken. Everywhere is smelling amazing. And don't forget, while you do this, continue to stir here and there just to make sure there is no part that is going to stay too long on a particular spot for too long. You don't want to have this, this hard, bony chicken, just a little of browning. Okay, so that's the reason why I keep turning it here and there, and to see that everything have equal color, okay, equal brown look. Okay, so when this is done, I am going to transfer in another pot that is capable to go into the oven. If you have something that is capable while browning in the same pan, you can just hop it up in the oven and continue to brown. Okay, continue to bake. So when I'm done with all this, I'm going to use some water just to rinse out the pan and the extra marinade on my bowl. Add to your chicken, and you are going to continue to bake in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes on an 160 degrees C. Not more than 160, 150 to 160, 45 to 50 minutes. Did you see that, guys? Nothing to waste, okay? Just scraping all the bowl because the marinade tastes so good. We are going to bring in, as I say, to continue to bake for 45 to 50 minutes, 150 to 160, okay? Maximum 160 degree. Okay, so today I am going to pair with some roasted potato. This is what my potato looks like. I did not peel mine. If you want to peel yours, go ahead and do so, but I love how crunchy it is with the skin. So season with just, you can go for some baby potato, or if you don't have baby potato, go for big ones like mine, cut in a half or any size you wish to have. So season with some salt, and then I also season with some garlic powder. If you want fresh garlic, no, I prefer to go for garlic powder because it's keep that crunchiness on the skin. And then I also added small amount of rosemary. Rosemary is very intensive, just small amount. I didn't give the exact measurement of this marinade. It depends on how you want to have yours. Okay, so I sprinkled some smoked paprika again on top, and then I want to add in some olive oil. Olive oil should be used here. I don't know why, but it's just how I want it. So I sprinkle some olive oil inside, so give it a good shake to incorporate everything. And then we are going to bake in a air fryer. You can also bake or roast, sorry to say, roast or bake, whatever. So roast in a air fryer or in your oven, whatever you have to do this. Okay, so I've added some foil paper in my air fryer. So introduced the potato, marinated potato or seasoned one. So I roasted for 180 degree, okay, 180 30 minutes, and that's it. So back to our chicken, guys. It's been 45 minutes. This is what it looks like. I'm going to add in some sliced bell pepper, red, yellow, whatever you have, and then hop it in the oven to continue to bake for just 5 minutes. Okay, and to my roasted potato, let me show you this. It looks amazing. It's crunchy. This is one of my best side dish. I tell you, know that, guys. So, and then 5 minutes later, our chicken is ready. If you want your bell pepper to be more cooked, let it be for 10 minutes and you will have your bell pepper well cooked. I love that crunchiness and the freshness. So that's why I just add it again to bake for 5 minutes, and it's fine for me. As you can see, it's still fresh. You're going to serve your dish, which is your potato and then your chicken, okay, your chicken drumstick. If you want, you can add in the marinade. The marinade tastes amazing to enjoy. I made some pepper sauce. This pepper sauce is a hot one, so it suits this recipe. It suits this meal, guy, I tell you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You wouldn't want to miss out any interesting recipe coming up, hit the notification bell and you will be notified anytime I post a new video. Please do not go without liking. I hope you like this video, so then give me some like, okay? Like and leave your opinion down below. I'm going to put this fork away and use my hand, because you should use your hand to eat this kind of interesting meal. So that's it for today, chicken drumstick. It's amazing one. See you in my next one, guys. Bye for now.